Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You will start by confirming the exact Nurofen liquid and concentration. Make sure it's in date and matches the prescriber. Once done, work out the dose from the label or clinician using the child's weight and write the target volume in ml. Next, remove the bottle cap and attach any adapter. Shake the bottle for 5–10 seconds to mix evenly. Then draw the syringe plunger back slightly, insert it into the adapter, and prepare to draw the medicine. Do this calmly so the child stays relaxed. Turn the bottle upside down with the syringe firmly attached and pull the plunger slowly until the liquid is slightly above your written target. Once the liquid is drawn, tap the syringe gently so any air bubbles rise to the top. Then push the plunger down carefully to the exact ml mark, using the bottom of the curved meniscus as your reference. Make sure to confirm the final volume against the label or prescription. If you need to add or remove tiny amounts, do it slowly so you don't overshoot. Position the child sitting upright and place the syringe tip into the side of the mouth, aiming toward the cheek. Depress the plunger steadily to deliver the medicine slowly. This minimizes choking and reduces spills. Once finished, wipe the syringe, recap it, and store the bottle upright in a cool place per the label. If the child spits or coughs and you lose some medicine, wait 5 minutes, remeasure a fresh, accurate dose, and document time given so you don't double dose. If unsure, contact your prescriber.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.